Hey, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So let me show you today how to use aiomatic to create a chat which will serve a specific purpose for users. So for example, you will be able to create a chat where users will be able to translate from a language to another, or a chat which fixes grammar, or a chat which summarizes articles, or any other thing that you might have in mind for text processing. So if you want to process chat in text in any way, you will be able to create a chat using the aiomatic plugin, which does this. So I created an example for this here. I created a grammar fixer chat. So keep in mind that this is possible using the aiomatic plugin, which is linked in this video's description. So go ahead, guys, and check it. And I will demonstrate the grammar fixer chat in this video. So for example, I created this page, I added a grammar fixer chat shortcode, and the first message from the AI is please enter the text for which you need a grammar fix. And we can enter here, hello, nice to meet you. Nice to see you, as the meet is not a grammar error. Okay. Hello, nice to see you. And we entered this. And now we are waiting for the AI to process this request and to reply to us with the corrected text. So this can take a while, as currently OpenAI is under high demand, and yeah, the responses can take a bit to process. And here it is, hello, nice to see you, hello, nice to see you. And the users can continue to enter text. For example, what is the purpose of this video? And the grammar fixer will continue to fix its purpose of this video. Okay, so let me show you now how to set up actually this grammar fixer chat, because you will need to mingle with multiple parameters from the aiomatic chat form shortcode. So this is the full shortcode which generates this grammar fixer chat, and let me explain each parameters from it. So aiomatic chat form, this is the shortcode, and the temperature, top, P, model, presence, penalty, frequency, penalty, instant response. You can skip this, as these are optional values, but I added this just to be sure that we have a correct chat, but we can also remove them and update the chat and leave only the essential parameters. So as you can see, nothing is changed. So important things are user message prepend. So this is a parameter that adds the user a context for the AI writer, because the user said this message will be appended to prepended to all messages which are sent by the user. So this message will be prepended to all messages sent by the user. So the AI will see that user says that fix grammar for this text, and the user will enter his own message, and the AI will receive actually user fix grammar for this text, and the text of the user is today is nice or something similar, and the AI message prepend will be AI, and the AI will reply with his message here. And also you can set the AI first message, please enter the text for which you need a grammar fix. And this is please enter the text for which you need the grammar fix. So let's transform this shortcode into a translation one, shall we? So just for the better understanding of this, let's use translate English to Spanish. I changed also the title of this post just to make it more better to be understood by you guys. So user message prepend, instead of fixed grammar in this text, translate from English to Spanish this text. AI is okay. And first message, please enter the text in English, which needs to be translated to Spanish. Okay, so now let's update the shortcode. I forgot to say that the shortcode will be linked in this video's description, so you will be able to copy it directly from there. Okay, so now let's refresh this page. Translate English to Spanish. Please enter the text in English, which needs to be translated to Spanish. Hello, my name is Sabe. I need some translation work. Okay, and the AI will process this request. Hola, mi nombre es Sabi, necesito algo de trabajo de traducción. And everything that the user says will be translated. How is the weather today? And we will be able to see the processing of this. ¿Cómo está el tiempo hoy? And keep in mind, you will be able to do this with anything you want. You will be able to paraphrase, you will be able to rewrite, to summarize text, so anything that you wish will be able to be done using this format. Just need to change the instruction from here, and also be sure to change the first message that the AI sends. So these are the important stuff. Also, as I mentioned, the shortcode is directly added in this video's description. You will be able to copy it from there and paste it directly into your WordPress pages, and use the aiomatic plugin to use this specific translation or text processing chats. Okay, so this is all for today. If you have more ideas, suggestions, comment below, like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Thank you for watching this video until the end. It's really appreciated. And until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.